My name's Amy Hodge. I am the Associate Director here at the Sherman, and I am directing Small Change by Peter Gill.
Whiz round and say who we are and what we do. We have someone filming little bits of this because of that.
What's the play about in a nutshell, Amy? In a nutshell, the play is about, I won't say in a nutshell because I'll then waffle too much. Small Change is a beautiful piece written by Peter Gill, who I think is one of the best. It spans from the war, beginning of the war, right up into the 1970s, and tracks two boys, which become two men, and their relationship with their mothers, exploring love in many ways, exploring how difficult their circumstances are, how limited they are by their circumstances, whether it's women who are trapped in the home and have to serve and do those duties properly, whether it's boys who are desperate for freedom, looking for more, struggling to find it. And it's also very much about how our past affects our present and how trapped we can be by our past. Yeah, we've got a gorgeous cast. I feel very excited about it, and we're having a really nice time in rehearsals. Our two are mothers, but let's do it by families. So we have the Hearts.
My name's Helen Griffin, and I'm playing Mrs. Hart.
Kenny Dougherty playing Gerard in Small Change.
And in the other house is the Driscolls.
Hi, my name's Lisa Palfrey, and I'm playing the part of Mrs. Driscoll.
Hi, I'm Ivan Meredith, and I'm playing Vincent in Small Change.
I've been working with designer Pamela Hanley, who is quite a really exciting time exploring how to stage it. We've been by going back to the root of the play, which has a lot to do with the places it is set. We walked and tried to track the details of the road that they live on, the tidal fields where they spend their time playing, the docks where they go to work. So it's all very rooted in Cardiff. Obviously, the world has changed a lot since the play was written. But we had an interesting time literally tracking those steps, tracking the routes the boys would have taken.
We've been working a week on lots of character stuff, really, and they've got a sense of the chronology of the play, so it'll be really nice for them to read it again, having landed all those thoughts, and great for the creative team who are here to hear it. It's exciting.